Hey, what's up, you all? Welcome back to my channel once again. I believe you are ready to buy your first bitcoins. You are going to need a Bitcoin wallet before you can decide to buy bitcoins. In my last video, I explained the top 5 Bitcoin wallets and also showed you guys step by step how to set up your wallet. Please check the video description for the link to that video. If today is your first time being on my channel, please subscribe and receive more content like this. And don't forget to smash on the bell so you can receive notification whenever I drop a new video. I will also appreciate if you go ahead and like my videos. Your comment matters to me a lot, so please go ahead and drop them under the comment section. I will be back.
I told you I have the best job for you. Will you be interested? A once-in-a-lifetime opportunity to earn more than you could spend. All you need is 50 Ghana cedis and a smartphone to be part of this great opportunity. You will stand the chance to go home with plasma TV, smartphones, laptops, foodstuffs and expensive cars. And also enjoy a luxury vacation around the world. Contact us now to be part of this great opportunity.
Okay, welcome back once again, guys. Okay. told to do it. So then you go to the website again to paste it there. Okay. transaction ID. Okay, so this is the transaction. Means that this one is not yet confirmed. That is why I don't have it in my wallet. The status says pending. Okay, so it may take some time for them to confirm the Bitcoin, and it needs to write, the status needs to say confirmed, okay, before it can be added to my wallet. And you can see it's $10, exactly how much I bought. Okay, and you see I received $100 worth of Bitcoins, which says that completed. You get me? So the moment it's completed, it will be added to your that is your balance. Okay, so now let's go and trace it. You can view the status of your transaction over here, or you can just wait for it to confirm, which may take a couple of 30 minutes to 40 minutes. By 1 hour it will be confirmed. So this is how you can buy Bitcoins in Ghana or in Africa or in anywhere you are in the world. Okay, so thank you for watching. Stay blessed.
Yeah, let's go. I ain't the first with the curse, with the thirst that I wanna be better, not worse, man it hurts. I'm on this earth with my words and I put them all together, insert, cause I wanna have worth.